Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier when the morning.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Happier by Marshmello and Bastille on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, but I have a capo at fret 5. The chords will be called by form names, and frets will be called in relation to the capo. In order to play the song most of the way through, we'll have to play these chords: A minor, B minor, flat 6, flat 9, by taking the middle finger up to the A string, fret 2, and strumming from the A string. C, E minor flat 6, by taking the middle finger to the D string and strumming from the D string. An F chord, strumming from the D string, and a B, or the B string open, leading back to A minor. We'll play it this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, B string, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So every time we went back to A minor, we preceded it with an open B note, like this. Next, we have the bridge, and our bridge will be played by going to an F, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And then we're back to the verses.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier.
And believe it or not, that's all we're going to need to learn in order to play Happier by Marshmello and Bastille on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.